Today, I'm going to talk about the holidays. The holidays stand for hope. Hope that finally parents can get along and take away all the suffering children have when it comes to Christmas time or any other type of holiday that you may celebrate. And when I talk about this, I mean, look, I don't know what's happened to women, but why do women have to hate men so much that they're going to ruin a child's holiday? I just don't understand it. Can't we just for once be normal, be happy that our children have a father that actually wants to participate, wants to celebrate a holiday with them, wants to do something special? You know what? When we're talking about being single women, you're only doing it because why? It's a badge of honor or you're playing the victim. I say you're playing the victim. Single women raising children really aren't single women at all. Single women raising children alone are merely, let's see what the word I want to use. I'm not going to use it because it would be kind of rude to say that women who use that moniker are women that keep men out of children's lives. So let's say for this holiday season, give your children hope that they will ultimately have a relationship with their father. It's Tina Bennett, and hoping that women will turn around and finally do the right thing.